Here is a small kitchen secret. Most of the pickles at the grocery store were never fermented at all. They took a completely different road to the jar. Our grandmothers knew there were two distinct crafts for keeping vegetables, pickling with vinegar and fermenting with salt, and they used each one on purpose for different jobs and different flavors. Today we are untangling the two, because knowing the difference opens up a whole shelf of old-world kitchen wisdom. The difference is beautifully simple. A vinegar pickle borrows its sourness. You pour hot, acidic brine over vegetables, and the vinegar does the preserving from day one. A ferment earns its sourness. You cover vegetables in salty water, and over days or weeks, friendly bacteria slowly create the acid themselves. One method is quick and predictable. The other is alive and always slightly different. Both fill the pantry, but they get there by very different paths. Vinegar pickling shines when you want speed and a long, stable shelf life. This is the world of bread and butter pickles, pickled beets, British piccalilli, and the sweet and sour chutneys of India. On canning day, a farm kitchen could put up dozens of sealed jars in a single afternoon, bright with vinegar, sugar, mustard seed, and dill. Those jars sat happily in the cellar for a year or more, ready to sharpen up a plain winter plate. Fermented pickles are the older tradition. Think of the barrel-cured cucumbers of Poland and the old Jewish delis of New York, where a half-sour pickle is simply one that has not finished its journey yet. There is no vinegar in a true deli pickle, only salt, water, garlic, dill, and thyme. The flavor is deeper and rounder than a vinegar pickle, less of a sharp bite and more of a slow, savory tang. Old cooks chose the method to match the moment. A glut of cucumbers in August and no time to spare, out came the vinegar and the canning kettle. A barrel in a cool cellar and a long winter ahead, salt brine was the answer, since a crock could be eaten from for months. Delicate flavors like pickled onions for the holiday table leaned on vinegar. The everyday sauerkraut and barrel pickles leaned on salt. Travel the world and you find both crafts everywhere. Japan keeps a whole family of pickles called tsukemono, some quick and vinegared, some aged in fermented rice bran. The Middle East fills jars of mixed vegetable torshi. India makes intense oil and spice pickles called achar that mature in the sun. Britain loves a sharp pickled onion. Every tradition worked out its own balance of speed, flavor, and keeping power. So now you know the two roads to a pickle. Vinegar brings instant sourness and a long shelf life, while salt and thyme let friendly microbes build flavor slowly in the crock. Our grandmothers kept both skills side by side and picked the right one for the harvest in front of them. Here at HappyMind Nutrition, we love passing along this kind of quiet kitchen knowledge. If you enjoyed it, a subscribe helps us keep the jars coming. Thank you for being here.